Okay guys, so we're gonna show you how it is the process to copy one key. Right here we have the key 44, it's an H75 key. So now we're gonna start to copying that key because we changed the ignition for that car and now we had to program a brand new key. So we are cutting now the key. Okay, so once we have decoded the first key, we take it out and then we put in the key with the chip. And we start to cut.